Meaning of hiya.
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 Hiya. Hiya is a casual greeting or exclamation used in informal situations to say hello, similar to hi or hey. It is often considered a more upbeat and friendly way of greeting someone, with subtle connotations of excitement and enthusiasm. Hiya originated as a contraction of hi and you, and has since become a popular slang expression in many English-speaking countries. Overall, hiya is a cheerful and informal way to greet someone, conveying positivity, friendliness, and approachability.